Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable this WinLock shortcut or WinLock screen. So if you use a Windows 11, you cannot activate this because this WinLock feature is disabled. Or maybe if there is an update in Windows 11 that you use now, the Microsoft re-enable WinLock. I don't know, but I'm using Windows 10 right now, so it's my sweet spot because Windows 10 is still available in 2024. Next year, 2025, Windows 10 is top the services. So unfortunately, let's move on. It's very easy to activate WinLock in Windows 10. So there is a false information on the internet how you can activate, but there is two way. You can push this Win key plus FN. So you can give it a try. But in my case, this key or this shortcut doesn't work. You cannot enable the WinLock with this key. I cannot, sorry. And the second way, this is work on my case. You can hold a Win key plus L key. So let's give it a try. And this is the WinLock screen. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.